Baalei Musar explained to us that when you're using the Torah as an instruction set, as an orah, that means you need to learn something from everything. You need to learn musar. You need to learn some type of life lesson from every single thing that you do. And you have to constantly compare it to the Torah. Whether it's how your day went or how your day didn't go. Whether you were moving or you signed a new deal or anything and everything that you've done in your life every day, in the past, in the present, or what you plan to do in the future. A person that understands that the Torah is an instruction set must get to a point where they're literally thinking about Torah 24 hours a day. Not because they're constantly coming up with new chidushim. Oh, you know what? Maybe the Tosfot meant this. But Rashi said something. No, you don't need to do that. That's good too. But that's not what we mean. What we mean by using the Torah as an instruction set is asking yourself, what does God say about what I'm about to do? What's Da'at Torah? What is the opinion of the Torah of what I want to do? I want to have a deal with this customer. And this customer looks like a fool. And I can take advantage of him. What does the Torah think about that? Oh, Torah doesn't think too good about that. Okay, so I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. If a person thinks about Torah, he's not going to do it. Why? Because he knows the Torah says something about those people. Rav Palaji alav Shalom said, someone that steals from the Goyim, not from the Jews. From the Jews, we already know Hashem and Hashem, what problems he has. A person that steals from a Jew without returning the money has to come back in a Gilgul. He can't go to Gan Eden, even if he fulfilled the entire Torah. He cannot go to enter Gan Eden if he stole from a Jew. But what about if you stole from a Goy? Can you just steal from Goy? Goy's a lot. There's 400 million of them in America. Most of them are naive. You can easily steal from them. No? Are you allowed? He's not a Jew. Rabbi Chaim Palaji says, you steal from Goyim, you're guaranteed to lose all your money. In this life. Guaranteed to lose all your money. And in addition to the Shem and Achem, all types of pain and suffering that will happen after. But the point being is that there's no permission. Now, if a person did not ask the Torah, what do you think about me stealing from this guy? Most likely he stole. I've dealt with a lot of business people in my life, from all types of contractors, all types of investors, all types of, every type of profession pretty much, from marketing to building, whatever you want. I've dealt with, if not thousands, at least many, many hundreds of people. And I cannot tell you that I have found a single person, a single one, I'm not even exaggerating, one person I can tell you, him, I vouch for him. He's honest in business. He's honest. This guy, you give him $1 million deal, he'll do the whole thing. Many people are nice. Many people say nice things. But when it comes to money, in this generation, Hashem Yachem, many people have gone to the point where stealing is okay in their eyes. They don't even frown upon it. There's shows on television that celebrate the stories of thieves. They make movies about it. The average person thinks that not only is it okay to steal, but if you're not stealing, you're not going to make it. If you're not cheating the system, you're not going to make it. You have to steal, you have to cheat in order to get ahead. Now, I'm only going to do this one time, this one deal. I'm going to do this one time with this one customer or this one government deal that really I'm not giving them anything. Or I'm selling the government that doesn't check anything, a screw for $85,000. A screw that costs 3 cents, I'm going to sell to them for $85,000. Since they don't pay attention, he'll even use a Gemara to tell you, no, if the guy makes a mistake, it's not, I don't have to pay him back. They even know all of the proofs from the Torah of why it's allowed to steal. It's not allowed, by the way. That's called a naval b'yeshut Torah. Despicable with permission from the Torah. Not permission, but they make it permission. Meaning that if a person uses Da'at Torah, uses the Torah as an instruction, he's never going to get to such a deep hole. Why? He's going to see every single thing that you can do in this world, there's an opinion about it. There's an opinion about it in the Torah. And if you're not asking yourself, what is the Torah's opinion about this? You have not arrived at that Torah yet. You have not arrived at a point where you understand, Torah is the instruction set.